Hi, this is just a short video to let you know that Annie's Craft Store is having a sale every day this week. Now, Monday through Friday, they are offering a ton of things for $5 a piece. And each day they will be adding something new. So you want to check Annie's every single day to see what they've got in their $5 items. So anyway, they are also running up to 50% off in their clearance section as well. So I pulled up Annie's, so let's take a look together and see what they've got in the $5 offerings for today. So here are the sales for today, and this is Monday, and each day they will be adding some to it. So we have crochet big on style, simple crochet, hooded pocket scarves, Afghans to treasure. This is an embroidery, I think. I'm not sure what it is. It just says fabric. Here we have a snag repair needles. This is a super deal right here. It's 500 crochet stitches with a CD, and it's $5 because everything on this website is $5, or everything on this particular sale is $5. Here are quilted pot holders. And then there's this. I'm not real sure what it is. It says 5 inches, lots to love, babies, crochet. And there's 5 little babies sitting there. So I have no clue what that is. And then down here is crochet or quilted pot holders for all seasons. And this is some plastic canvas called Sunshine Village. So those are the sales for today, and like I said, all of those items are $5 each, and the clearance section is up to 50% off. So you can see that right here. So yeah, the link is down below in this video, down in the description box, and that will take you right over to it. So have a good time shopping.